guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech, and I'm very glad to have you all here. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, today I'll be teaching us something that many of us don't know, and what I'm about to teach us is going to scale up your skill as a graphic designer. Let me show you what I'm about to teach us. Now what I'm about to teach us is simply how you can cartoon your picture, how you can convert your picture into a cartoon style face picture. I know many of you must have seen this, many of you must have come across this, but you don't know the science behind this. It is very simple. You don't know how the person was able to come up with this, how the person was able to do this. It is very simple. If you want to learn how to do this, kindly stay with me until the end of this video. Now this is what I want you to do. Go to your Play Store and download this app called ToonMe. I've already downloaded it. It is already in my phone, so I don't need to download it again. Now quickly launch the app. This is the application. Let me show you. This is the application. Kindly launch it. Now this is, you are going to see this. Now this application has thousands of templates, so it all depends on what you want to do, and kindly select the one that fits your taste or the one that aligns with your preference. For me, I'm going to work with this particular template. As you can see, it has given us access to this particular template. Now the moment you click on any template, this application has the ability to access your gallery so that you can pick any picture of your choice. Now I want us to work with this particular picture. All you need to do is just to click on it, and this is the picture. Click on this arrow. Now our cartoon picture is ready. Beautiful. You can see the effect. Now this is how you download it. Click on these three dots, click save to device, and then click on download. It is already in your phone. Okay guys, after you've downloaded the picture, there's something I want to show us. Take a look at this. This is the watermark that came with the picture, and you know it is not good for you to leave the watermark, so you have to take it away. If not, it makes your design look unprofessional, and the only way we can achieve that is on our Pixel Lab. So go to import. We want to import the image. This is the image we want to work on. Click on this, then stretch the image. Make sure it covers the canvas, and make sure it is properly aligned. Or yes, no, we want it to cover the canvas. Now it is properly aligned, and at the same time placed at the center of the canvas. I would like you to duplicate it, because whenever you stretch an image on your Pixel Lab, it reduces the quality, and the only way you can retain the quality is by duplicating it. Hope you can see the one in front is sharper than the one behind, so delete the one behind. Now this one is perfect. Beautiful. Now you can save it on your Pixel Lab. So save as project. You can give it any name. We've saved it. Now you can also export it. Click on these three dots, click on export image, click on default, click on ultra. Now you've successfully exported it into your gallery. If you found this video helpful, I would like you to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to smash the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. Thank you so much for your time. I love you all. See you in my next video.